Most people think honey is just for tea or toast. But if you're a man over 60, there's a specific way to use honey that can actually transform your blood flow, boost your energy, and improve how you show up in intimate moments. Here's the thing. Nearly every man I've worked with over the last 5 years has been using honey all wrong. Not only are they missing out on its benefits, but they're also blocking the very process that makes honey powerful for circulation. Stick with me, because I'm about to share the exact method you should be using, the science behind it, and the common mistake that keeps it from working. After this, you'll never look at honey the same way again. But first, tell me, where are you watching from? Drop your location in the comments. I love seeing how far this community reaches. When you use honey the right way, not as a sweetener, but as what I call a circulatory activator, it can start improving your blood flow in as little as 30 minutes. That means warmer hands and feet, sustained energy, and stronger, more reliable performance when it counts. But timing and pairing are key. If you take honey at the wrong time or mix it with the wrong foods, your body will turn that natural energy into stored sugar instead of fueling your blood flow. I'll show you exactly what to pair it with and when to get the best results. Let's get real for a moment. If you find yourself getting winded more easily or intimacy feels like a chore instead of a connection, you're not alone. Every man over 60 experiences some drop in circulation. The difference between men who bounce back and those who accept it quietly is knowing how to restore that internal flow naturally and consistently. Here's the good news. You don't need expensive supplements for this. You just need to know how to activate your body's natural nitric oxide pathways. And guess what? Honey, when used correctly, is one of the easiest ways to do just that. I'm Dr. Ada James, and over the past decade, I've helped countless men restore their vitality through natural, evidence-based methods. What I've seen time and again is that small, consistent changes lead to huge transformations. Take Marcus, for example. At 67, he came to me, feeling drained and low on confidence. He said, "Doctor, I feel like I'm fading." His wife noticed it too. We made a few simple changes, including the honey circulation routine I'm about to share. Within 2 weeks, his mornings got easier. No more struggling to get out of bed. By week 3, his blood pressure was stable. By week 4, he looked at me and said, "I didn't think I'd ever feel 40 again, but here I am." Now, I'm not saying honey alone worked magic, but when used the right way, at the right time, and combined with simple daily habits, it gave his circulation the boost it desperately needed. If you're finding this helpful, hit the like button. It helps spread this information to more men. By the time you hit your 50s and 60s, your blood vessels naturally lose some flexibility, meaning less blood flow to your brain, heart, and yes, your intimate areas. When that happens, energy, confidence, and stamina all start to decline. Honey contains powerful natural compounds that can help reverse some of the effects of aging. It's packed with flavonoids and antioxidants that stimulate the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that's crucial for healthy blood flow. Think of nitric oxide as the body's flow switch. When it's activated, blood moves freely. When it's not, circulation, energy, and even desire slow down. The key is to activate that switch consistently. Most men take honey at the wrong time, often mixing it with bread, cereal, or processed foods. This combination spikes insulin, which shuts down nitric oxide production and turns the honey into stored sugar instead of fueling blood flow. The right way? Take a teaspoon of raw, unprocessed honey on an empty stomach, about 20 minutes before breakfast. Add a pinch of cinnamon or ginger. These spices naturally warm the body and enhance blood flow. Timing matters because in the morning, your insulin sensitivity and nitric oxide levels are at their lowest. Giving your body that natural boost before food helps your arteries wake up and prepare for the day ahead. Studies back this up. Research in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that men who took a daily dose of honey saw up to a 20% improvement in vascular function within just 4 weeks. Another study found that the polyphenols in honey helped reduce oxidative stress, a major cause of blood vessel stiffness as men age. When circulation improves, so does energy, metabolism, and confidence. It creates a positive ripple effect in mood, focus, and connection. Take James, for example. At 71, he had cold hands and feet, low energy, and nitric oxide levels that were nearly half of what they should have been. After incorporating this honey routine, adjusting his evening meals, and taking short 10-minute walks after breakfast, here's what happened. His energy improved within 10 days, his hands warmed up within 3 weeks, and after 6 weeks, he felt like himself again. Small changes, big results. For honey to work its magic, it must be raw and unprocessed. Let's make that clear. Factory-made honey is often heated and filtered, losing the vital enzymes that activate nitric oxide. What you need is raw, dark honey that still has a slightly grainy texture. This type keeps all its natural healing properties intact. Now, let's level up this routine. When you combine honey with fresh lemon juice before breakfast, you create what I call the circulation trigger blend. The vitamin C from the lemon helps your blood vessels produce more nitric oxide, while the honey delivers antioxidants that protect it from breaking down. Here's how you do it. In the morning, mix 1 teaspoon of raw honey, the juice of half a lemon, a pinch of cinnamon or ginger, and warm, not hot, water. Stir it well and drink it slowly, ideally within 10 minutes of waking up. Within 7 to 10 days, you'll notice better blood flow. In 3 to 4 weeks, your energy and endurance will start rising. And after 6 weeks, many men feel a noticeable boost in vitality. For the best results, keep these tips in mind. Always use raw honey. Avoid anything labeled blended or pasteurized. Drink this honey-lemon mix before breakfast, not after meals. Stay hydrated. Dehydration thickens your blood and slows circulation. Keep your legs moving. Even simple seated stretches or calf raises will help your blood vessels stay responsive. Prioritize sleep. Your body restores nitric oxide production while you rest. These small habits will add up. Soon, you'll notice improvements like sharper focus, better stamina, and a sense that you're not just getting older, you're reclaiming your vitality. Vitality doesn't fade with age. It fades when your body stops getting the proper nourishment it needs. So, start tomorrow morning with 1 teaspoon of raw honey, half a lemon, a pinch of cinnamon or ginger, and warm water. Sip it slowly and give it a week. See how your body feels, no matter your age. It's all about sending the right signals to your body, and you can start that today. If this video helped you, please subscribe and share it with someone who could benefit. I'm Dr. Ada James, here to provide clear, practical advice because you deserve answers, not confusion. Take care of yourself. Small changes can make a world of difference in your confidence.